Indulge in the patriotic feelings with this Republic Day special meal. This meal includes Jeera Rice, Palak Paratha, Shahi Paneer, salad and fruit trifle. Jeera is used to make this, so it's known as Jeera Rice. So let's get started. Detailed ingredients are given in the description below. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large skillet over medium flame. Add 1 cardamom or elaichi, 2 cloves or laung, 1 inch cinnamon or dalchini, 1 star anise or chakra phool, 1 bay leaf or tej patta, Saute for few seconds. Now add 1 tablespoon of jeera or cumin. Saute for few seconds. To this, add 1 medium size sliced onion. Stir occasionally and cook until they soften. Jeera or cumin is known for its medicinal values. We also know that it's great for digestion. It's a very popular rice dish. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 2 cups of water. So we add 2 cups of water for 1 cup basmati rice. Add 2 green chillies. Cover it with a lid. Once water comes to a boil, add 1 cup soaked basmati rice. The rice is soaked for about 30 minutes. Add salt as per your taste. Mix this well. Cook until the rice is completely done. Now lower the flame and cover it with a lid for about 10 to 15 minutes. And it's ready to serve. It goes well with dals and curries. Do try this colorful meal. You can find the links to these recipes in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments and subscribe for more such videos.